Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jasmine Ma'am, faculty at VisionIAS. Welcome to Deep Dive. India's genomic database, created under the Genome India Project, is now accessible as a global digital public good through the Indian Biological Data Center, which archives and provides access to India's genomic data. It is enabling researchers to explore genetic variations and develop precise genomic tools and the framework for exchange of data protocols, which ensures ethical, transparent, and responsible sharing of high-quality, nation-specific genomic data. This groundbreaking initiative has successfully mapped the genomes of 10,000 individuals across 99 ethnic groups in India. This is not just a scientific achievement, but also a leap towards addressing India's unique health challenges and understanding its unparalleled genetic diversity. But why is this significant? And why does it mean for India's future? Let's break it down. Before we dive into the Genome India Project, let's first understand the science of genome sequencing, the backbone of this groundbreaking initiative. Did you know that every human carries a unique genetic instruction manual? It is called the genome, and it is stored in the nucleus of every cell of your body. It comprises approximately 3.05 billion DNA base pairs formed by the 4 nucleotides adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. This script determines our growth, bodily functions, disease response, and even medicine compatibility. The genome sequencing deciphers the order of these base pairs, enabling scientists to unravel the genetic variations that each individual has. It addresses questions like, why are some people more prone to diseases like diabetes or cancer? What are our ancestral roots? And why do some treatments succeed in certain individuals but not in others? This ability to read the genetic code is like unlocking a treasure chest of biological information. When applied in a diverse country like India, genome sequencing not only identifies unique genetic markers but also paves the way for personalized medicine and advanced healthcare solutions. A true game changer. With these basics clear, let's see how India's Genome Project harnesses our genetic code for global healthcare. The Genome India Project was launched in 2020. It aims to map India's genetic diversity. Why is this so important? India is a home to over 4,600 distinct ethnic groups, many of which have remained genetically isolated for centuries. This isolation has led to unique genetic traits that the global studies often miss. Current discoveries highlight the gap in international research and the urgent need for India to take charge of its own genetic studies. Building on this broad vision, let's learn why this project is vital for India's people and overall progress. The Genome India Project is transforming India's future in following critical areas, such as the initiative enables treatments tailored to Indian demographics, ensuring low-cost diagnostics and precise genetic studies. For example, certain members of the Arya-Vyas community in South India lack a gene that processes common anesthetics, posing fatal risks if these drugs are used. Moreover, it identifies diseases prevalent in specific communities, facilitating targeted healthcare interventions for the underserved populations like SCs, and SCs suffering with sickle cell anemia, thereby reducing disparities between rural and urban areas.
हमारे आदिवासी समाज में सिकल सेल एनीमिया की बीमारी एक बहुत बड़ा संकट है। इससे निपटने के लिए हमने नेशनल मिशन चलाया है, लेकिन इसमें भी चुनौतियां कम नहीं है। संभव है कि सिकल सेल की जो समस्या किसी एक क्षेत्र में हमारे आदिवासी समाज में हो, वो दूसरे क्षेत्र के आदिवासी समाज में ना भी हो, वहां दूसरे प्रकार का हो। इन सारी बातों का पक्का पता हमें तब चलेगा जब एक कंप्लीट जेनेटिक स्टडी हमारे पास होगी।
India's bioeconomy grew significantly from $10 billion in 2014 to $130 billion in 2024, aiming for $300 billion in 2030. India ranks 12th globally in biotech and 3rd in the Asia-Pacific region. Also, it fosters insights across agricultural, environmental, and industrial sectors, catalyzing interdisciplinary advancements. Further, the project drives progress in mRNA vaccines for pancreatic cancer, protein manufacturing, and treatments for genetic disorders. Lastly, by prioritizing inclusivity to capture India's genetic diversity, the initiative complements global research efforts, surpassing singular genome mapping ventures, and promises valuable revelations for India and the global scientific community. For genetic solutions that save lives to uplift healthcare equality, let's examine crucial hurdles on this path. Despite its potentials, the Genome India Project faces significant challenges of genetic information is highly sensitive. The project must ensure strict data security to protect individuals' privacy. Also, with over 4,600 groups, the project must include as many communities as possible to avoid skewed results. Last but not the least, translating research into action through building the infrastructure and training professionals to use genomic data in healthcare is critical. Thus, overcoming these challenges will require coordinated efforts from scientists, policymakers, and local communities. After careful examination of the foregoing challenges, let's quickly explore the ambitious goals shaping India's genomic future. The ultimate aim of the Genome India project is to sequence 10 million genomes. This will not only make India a leader in genomics, but also pave the way for early diagnosis and treatment of rare diseases, better preparedness for pandemic by understanding population-level vulnerabilities, and strengthening collaborations with global research initiatives. So, with this inclusive roadmap in sight, we will now move on to the call for collective action. Genome India highlights India's dedication to cutting-edge genetic research through collaborative efforts led by the Department of Biotechnology. By decoding Indian genetic diversity, it paves the way for breakthrough in public health, personalized medicine, and drug development, showcasing a transformative stride towards leveraging science for societal benefit. So I hope you enjoyed studying about the Genome India project. We'll keep bringing you more such topics in Deep Dive. Thank you.